Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Geography Objective Past Question 20. Which of the following examples of igneous rock is extrusive? A. Granite, B. Basalt, C. Gabbro, D. Diorite. So we are looking at igneous rock, which is of course a form of rock, and igneous rocks are formed, or are rocks that are formed by the cooling and hence solidification of molten magma. Now, igneous rocks are of two kinds, or two classes. The first are intrusive rocks, or also known as plutonic igneous rocks, and the second are extrusive or volcanic igneous rocks. Now, intrusive igneous rocks are basically those that solidify within the Earth's crust. So solidifies within the Earth. That means they do not reach outside, and they only become visible after years of erosion. Now, examples of intrusive igneous rocks are diorite, gabbro, and then extrusive rocks are the ones that are formed when magma is ejected from the Earth's crust. So when magma comes and reaches the Earth's surface and then cools, extrusive igneous rocks are formed. An example, a strong example, is basalt. So we've mentioned diorite and gabbro, which are option D and C respectively, as intrusive, so they can't be the answer. And granite is also not an example of an extrusive igneous rock. And we mentioned basalt as the major example of an extrusive igneous rock. So the correct answer is B, basalt. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and also for more past questions and answers. Thank you.